Okay, this tutorial is all about making the Vista logo in Corel Draw. I've cut and pasted this one from the web. So as you notice, it's a low resolution image. So what we're gonna do is we're going to recreate this Vista logo in Corel Draw X3. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to make the circle. So click my circle tool. I'm gonna draw that one. Okay. So I'm fine with that, and I'll just move it over here so we have a visual comparison. Now to make it faster, the tutorial faster, I already created swatches here so I know which color to choose. So first I have this big circle, and I'm gonna create another circle. So you go to edit, duplicate, and I'll make the other circle smaller and put it in the lower section of the, and I'll make it oblong like that. Yeah. So in Corel, when you click on an object and you go to edit, copy properties from, so I go copy the fill and click on this one, so that's my fill, and the other one, edit, copy from fill of this. Now I've got two objects. Now I'm going to select both and remove the outline. No outline. Now we're going to use the blend tool here, so click the, or select both objects by making a crossing window, and you go to effects and you go to blend. So when you click on blend, in here, these are the steps of the blend. The higher the steps, I'll put it 60 and click on apply, the smoother the gradation. Okay, so let's close this one and then let's go back to our original one. Okay, now I'm gonna do this reflection here. So what I'm gonna do is to create another circle, a smaller circle. Okay, just put it in there and I'll fill it with white and then remove the background. So outline, remove outline, and then I'm gonna use the interactive transparency tool. Then I'll make a gradient tool effect by click and dragging it down. Let's make it straight. Okay, it's good. So now I have that one. Okay, so I'll just enlarge that one. Get that effect. Now we're gonna do this logo, the squares. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use my Bezier tool. It's this one, Bezier tool. So I click, click, click. I'm just tracing it. I'm gonna close it. Okay, let's check if it's the fill is the object is closed by clicking on a fill color. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, now I'll just remove the outline again and go back to my object here. Now I'm just going to make the outline a different color so we could see how it looks like. Okay, so when you got that one, go to my shape tool, click on the line that I want to make curve, right mouse click and go to curve. There you go. And go this one, click, right mouse click to curve. Okay, so that looks fine to me. I'm going to zoom out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just going to duplicate this. Okay, edit, duplicate, and bring this down there. Okay, and if you notice, this one is just a mirror image here, mirror vertically or horizontally. Or you know what, let's just do it. Let's just do a new set of objects. So click, 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 and then close. Okay, I'll just make the outline yellow so that we could see it. Okay, and go to your shape tool and click on the line that you want to make curve and click on to curve. Then you can edit the curve. Click, right mouse click to curve. There you go. I'm just gonna duplicate this, edit, duplicate, and then bring it down. Perfect. Now I'm ready to move this over to my logo. There. Now I'm just gonna guess what color it is, so I'll just make the first one orange. Okay, make it darker orange. So in Corel, you know these color swatches, if you click on it, you will see more colors. So I'll just make it darker orange, right there. Okay, and then this one I'll just make it green. Okay, we're gonna fix that colors later and make it lighter orange, and this one I'll make it blue. Okay, I'll select the four objects and remove the outline. Go to your outline tool and click on X for no outline. Okay. Now in Corel, if you click on an object and make it a mesh fill tool, or if you go to the last icon of your toolbars and in the interactive fill you go to the mesh tool, it creates a mesh. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this, okay, highlight the nodes and click on yellow, click here, highlight the nodes of the lower left corner, highlight the nodes, make it white, and highlight this node and make it white. Perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is going to select these four objects and I'll just make a drop shadow. There. Drop shadow. There you go. Okay. So now we're just gonna group this one, and there's our new look. Now if you want to edit the colors, it's always easy because we're running out of time here. We just click on this one and say this one you want it to make it yellow. There, see? So I'll just group that one, and then I'll put the reflection. Okay, first you duplicate this whole thing, okay, and then grab this one, okay, this node, and bring it down, do it over there, and you go to bitmap, convert to bitmap. Okay, make sure transparent background is checked, and then click OK. Then you can do your transparency from top to down. There you go. I will just make a background here. Let's just make a gray background. Arrange order to back of page. And there you have the Vista logo.